How to fix community standards for Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can solve a certain problem. So to know how you can fix this problem, watch this video till the very end. Go on the Facebook Messenger, make sure you have installed the latest version of Facebook Messenger on your device. On the top left side, you will see there are three vertical lines. When you tap on it and tap on the gear option, which is the option of settings, just scroll down and tap on report technical problem. And again tap on report anyway, tap on include, and then the messenger is now gonna create a report. Now you can simply paste the recorded video as well or the photos of something that have been beyond the community standards, and you can simply report the problem by writing here and then send it to the messenger report problem authorities. After that, they will view the problem and send you feedback right back. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this and comment on our video.